Welcome to this short yoga practice to stretch shoulders and chest. You will need 2 yoga blocks for this practice, or alternatively you can take 2 big heavy books. Just place your blocks to the side where you can easily reach them. And we will begin laying on the side with knees bent. Doesn't matter which side you are on, just lay down on the side where you can see the screen. Straighten your arms on shoulder height, bring palms together. With inhale, circle your top arm up over the head, open your chest up to the ceiling into twist. Exhale, circle your arm down and bring it back into starting position. With inhale, circle your arm up, rotating your chest up to the ceiling. And exhale, slowly circle it back. A few more times with your breath. Make this movement as fast or as slow as you like. Next time you circle the arm, stay in the twist. You can shuffle your shoulders around to bring your shoulder blades down to the mat. Arms can stay straight, or you can bend your elbows, keep your palms facing up to bring even more opening to the shoulders. A few deep breaths here. Notice the rotation of your spine. And then slowly bring your knees up to roll over to the other side. Straighten your arms out in front of you and start circling your top arm overhead, back and down. Again, moving as slow or as fast as you like. With each inhale, rotating your chest up to the ceiling. And exhale, coming back into starting position. Next time, pause in the twist. Find comfortable position for your shoulder blades. Keep your arms straight or bend the elbows again. And breathe deeply into the twist. Noticing the sensation in your back. Slowly bring your knees back to center. Keep your legs bent and grab your blocks for supported reclined backbend. One block goes under your shoulder blades. You can use the height that's comfortable for you here. I like to start with the lowest height and then increase the height if I feel like. Your head can come to the floor if that's comfortable. Otherwise, you can use another block as support for your head. Move around here to find comfortable position. This should feel really nice on the spine if you find the right spot for the block. It should be under your upper back, not the lower back, so try to place it a little higher if something doesn't feel right. Arms can stay extended alongside the body, or bend your elbows, rotate your palms up into this cactus shape. Your legs can stay bent, you can straighten them, or even bring the soles of the feet together, knees wide, into butterfly pose. See what feels nice, and take deep breaths here. On the inhale, expanding the chest, expanding the ribs. And with exhale, letting the body soften. If you notice that you don't need a block under your head anymore, you can always take it away. Take one more deep breath. And slowly take your blocks away from underneath your shoulders and head. Roll over to the side and slowly come up into tabletop position on your hands and knees. For the next stretch, place your blocks around shoulder width apart on the top of your mat. Hands come to the blocks. Lower your chest down towards the mat as your hips stay up above the knees. Bring your forehead or chin down if they reach the mat. And sink your chest down between the shoulder blades. A little more intense version is to place elbows on the blocks. Bend the arms and bring your palms together behind the head. You can also increase the intensity by placing the blocks on the higher level. And concentrate on the breath. Deep, slow breath. With inhale, expanding the ribs. With exhale, sinking the chest down more towards the mat. Carefully make your way out of the pose. Put the blocks aside, we don't need them anymore. Lay down to your belly. And take your arm out to the side, also doesn't matter which one you start with. Elbow is bent and in line with the shoulder or even a little higher. Roll over to the side until you feel a stretch on your shoulder and chest muscles. Head can stay lifted or you can lower the cheek down to the mat. Just find what feels good and stay there. Breathe. Slowly roll back to center and then to the other side, switching the sides. Elbow is bent, palm down. Side of the head on the mat or head lifted. Roll back to your belly. Place your hands underneath your shoulders and press yourself up into seated position. Sit down to your heels. Notice how your shoulders and upper back feel now. I hope they're feeling nice. Feel free to do these stretches on your own, so you can hold them as long as you like. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye!